Well, I was working on this today, but it's way too hot, so f*** that. The postman has just been and dropped this off. So, I'm going to mess around with this instead. What it is a turbo whistle. I'm going to try it on this Toyota, and I'm going to try it on the Touran as well. And let's have a little laugh with it. In fact, I might try it on the intake. Yeah, I want to see what happens if I put this on the intake first. Always nice to see a nice clean engine bay, isn't it? Right, so let's see what happens if I put it in here. I'm not even going to tighten that up. Let's start it up and see what happens. Get ready for some serious turbo sounds. That's what they said. Well, that sounds shit. One of my neighbours came over to talk to me about car stuff, and I actually hid this. I hid it behind my back because I'm embarrassed about it. But I'm going to put it on this now at the back. Why is it as soon as I come out to do this, all the freaking neighbours come out and they want to talk to me and stuff? I don't want anyone to know what I'm doing. The whole thing blocks the exhaust. Oh my God, it's going to be so loud. Oh man, this is cringy as hell. All right, let's just do it and drive it and see what happens. Oh God, it's going to be so loud. Right, I've just shoved it in there loosely. It takes up the whole width of the exhaust nearly, so this is just a bad idea, but I'm going to try it. It sounds so bad. It sounds just like someone's put a whistle on the car. It actually sounds quite cool like that. Idling, but it sounds when I'm driving. Let's try it. Let's lower the windows. Oh, I can't believe I'm about to try and drive this around the neighbourhood. This is going to be so embarrassing. Oh man. Do you hear that? It's not actually doing anything. I have to put my foot down a bit for it to work. Too fast, too furious, baby. We're back. Ready? First gear. Let's do this little straight here. Oh my God. It literally sounds like a party whistle. That is so dumb. Some kids coming past. Oh my God, this is the worst thing I've ever heard. Turn it around a minute. This is so embarrassing. I have to go and take it off immediately. Ready? I better turn it off. There we go, it's off. I mean, oh, it feels warm. Right, there he's on the TDI now. Let's see how it sounds with two pipes. Obviously, I'm not going to put two on there because this is a single turbo car. See how well it starts? It's been a while. Easy, easy. I swear this thing never ceases to amaze me. This has actually got a boost pipe that's come off or split. I don't know yet, but basically the episodes haven't come out yet. I haven't edited them, but loads of the oh yeah, coolant. Has it got coolant in it? I can't remember. Can't even remember what I was going to say now. It's just gone. Absolutely gone. Oh yeah, a boost pipe. Basically, I fixed all the leaks and everything. I've got the new induction kit thingy on there, and it was all running great. I had so much boost, and then bang, load of hissing, load of noise, and it's like somewhere the boost pipe has either split open or come off. I haven't actually touched it since. I just brought it back and left it here. So yeah, I can't really drive it around, not till I've fixed that. Don't think it's actually even doing anything. That's the end of that. Stay tuned for the next video for this, because stuff's gonna go down. And I'm telling you now, basically this car is just nothing but stress. So I'd love for you guys to come on that journey with me and experience that stress. I don't know why I'm even doing this, to be honest. I've got enough on my plate, but I can't help myself. I just film stuff and upload it, and that's the way it's gonna be. So yeah, cool. Let's do some more mods. I'll see you soon.